Hello, my name is Anita Giraldo Ospina, and I will be the Marine Science and Ecology instructor for the Summer Springboard course at the University of California in Santa Barbara. My educational background expands several countries. I have a bachelor's degree in marine biology from Australia, a master's degree in marine ecology from Mexico, and my PhD is also from Australia. Currently, I am a postdoctoral researcher at the University of California, Santa Barbara at the Marine Science Institute. My area of expertise is the ecology of coastal marine ecosystems like kelp forests, coral reefs, and seagrass meadows. My study focuses on understanding where they exist, why do they thrive, and the disturbances that these ecosystems and the species they sustain are facing. During this summer, we will study the species that live in these ecosystems and how they interact with each other and the environment they live in. And we will learn how healthy ocean is key to the well-being of humans too. In front of the beautiful and wild Northern Channel Islands and with its beautiful beaches, the University of California, Santa Barbara is the perfect location to learn this. With fun and exciting hands-on activities, I want to teach you about different marine environments and the biodiversity they sustain. I can't wait to meet my students for this course, to share with them my knowledge of the ocean and my passion for learning more about it. See you soon.